Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how people get instant responses when they comment on a post? Today we'll show you how to set this up using Flowboard by Nulu AI for free. First, log in or sign up at flowboard.nuluai.com. After logging in, go to the sidebar and choose either Facebook Tools or Instagram Tools. We'll use Facebook as an example. Click Comment Manager and select All Post List to view your posts. You can either manually activate comment automation for each post or for all posts. For this tutorial, we'll manually set it up. Click on the gears icon of your latest post and enable auto reply. Since there's no saved template, disable that option for now. Next, create a label to segment your leads when users comment and get a private reply. If you don't need labels, leave it blank. Labels only work if a DM reply is set up. Next, determine the appropriate action to take regarding offensive comments. Choose to either hide or delete them. Additionally, you have the option to specify offensive keywords. Now, let's proceed to configure the trigger words for comments that will activate the automation. Select the option labeled Send Message by filtering word sentence. Next, you can configure the following option as you'd like. Do you want to send reply message to a user multiple times? Do you want to enable comment reply? Do you want to like on comment by page? Do you want to hide comments after comment reply? Name your automation. Let's call it example. Choose whether the reply should match the trigger word exactly, or reply if any matches occurs with filter word. Add your trigger word, like example, and for multiple words, separate them with commas. Enter the comment reply and personalize it by adding the user's first name, last name, or tagging them. You can include images or videos, MP4 preferred, in the reply, but not both together. Next, we will proceed to select the direct message template we wish to use, following our response to the comment. Click on Add Message Template to continue. Assign a name to this template. For this example, we will label it Example. Following this, we have the option to create a label. By choosing labels, when a user interacts with this post back, they will be categorized under those labels, aiding you in segmenting your leads effectively. If you prefer not to use labels, simply leave this field blank. Now we will move on to selecting the type of reply we desire to send. Options include text reply, image, audio, video, file quick reply, text with buttons, generic template, carousel, media, one-time notification, or e-commerce. In this example, we will configure both a text reply and an image reply. Once these settings are established, we will click Submit and then close and refresh list to complete the process. To handle replies for non-matching trigger words, set up automation in comment reply if no matching found. If not needed, leave it blank. Submit and save your template, or just submit. Congrats! You've set up comment and DM automation on Facebook. Now let's test it out to see how it works. Let's comment our keyword example on our Facebook post. If you found this video valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. We encourage you to like, comment, and share this video to help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next presentation.